Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to view the account statement in video, then this video is for you. We will guide you through the most latest guide or latest method how you can watch that statement of your BDO account according to this latest update in 2025. So make sure that you are logged into your BDO account. It could be your personal account or the business account. Now here is a total overview how you can see your account statement. To view your BDO or Banco de Oro statement of bank as OA in 2025, you can use either the BDO Online Banking website, this is it, and or the BDO Online mobile app. Here's a comprehensive guide to help you access and download your statements securely. Option 1. Using the BDO mobile application. Download and install the app. Ensure you have the latest version of the BDO Online app installed on your device. It's available for Android version 6.0 and up and iOS version 14.0 and up, and a Harmony OS also version 2.0 and up. Then login. Open the app and enter your username and password. Authenticate your login using either push notification. Select your registered device to receive a login approval notification. Ensure push notifications are enabled on your device settings. One-time PIN or the OTP. If push notifications are unavailable, then choose try another method and select text me a one-time PIN, the OTP. Enter the OTP sent to your registered mobile number. Access your statement. Once you logged in, navigate to the accounts section. Then select the specific account, like it could be your personal or bank, business or savings or checking also, for which you want to view the statement. Tap on statement or view statement. Choose the desired statement period. You can now view, download or share the statement as needed. Option 2 is using the BDO Online Banking website. So you can visit the URL, the www.onlinebanking.bdo.com.ph or the BDO Unibank. This could be, or you can go with this www.bdo.com.ph personal if you don't have any bank account right now. So log in, enter your existing username and password, authenticate your login using either push notification. Select your registered device to receive a login approval notification. Ensure push notifications are enabled on your device settings. One-time PIN, the OTP. If push notifications are unavailable, choose try another method and select text me a one-time PIN, the OTP. Then enter your OTP sent to your registered mobile number. Here is access statements. After logging in, click on the Accounts tab and then select the specific account, savings or checking or personal or business account for which you want to view the statement. Then click on Statements or View Statement. Then choose the desired statement period that you can now view, download or print the statement as needed. Here is the important security update for credit card in ESOA. Effective February 26 to 2025, BDO has updated the default password format for electronic statements of account like ESOA for credit cards. The new default password is your date of birth in the format date, month, on a year. Then example this one, just like this, this change enhances security and simplifies access to your ESOA. So that's how you can simply do it. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.